So I'm just planning the bed, and you can get a feel now for the garage space. If we're somewhere and something goes something, I can still get in this space. Let's spin you. And I can still work away, even though there's going to be stuff here. But yeah, there's going to be plenty for storage as well. Obviously the tank is taking up some here. The pipe work for the tank is going to come out probably not this side, but that side. I'm going to have a filler line on. Which side should I have the filler on? I'll probably have, well, let's spin you around because you're just looking at me flailing around. I'll probably have a filler line as you open the back door on a board here on this side of the bed, and that'll also have an air vent in, I think, so the tank can breathe. So a filler line and an air vent will be up there. In fact, the filler line will be the air vent. I can just have a vented top with a non-return valve. I'll think about that. But yeah, I think electrics are going to be this side. I should be able to fit them all in. So electrics this side, and water this side. Oh, and space for storage in the middle. Now I want to try and keep our bed as low as possible because we don't want to feel enclosed when Maximus's bed comes across here as well. So that's pretty much where we're at with that one. I'm going to now think about cutting boards for the back, and then I want to get this back floor sanded and fiberglassed over, and that'll be the protection for the back floor. I just need a nice trim piece over the front there, sand it all, round it over, and then if there's anything from the water that leaks, it leaks in the back of the van, and there will be, like I say, fiberglass raised sides all the way around. It will just leak down to the back door, out over the back step and away, and that's the plan for that. But yeah, there's the bed, and I think that's pretty much the height. The scorver beams here need to come out to the back and out to the front, and then that one will be arranged directly in the middle. And at this sort of height, they should run through directly into the pod, so we'll be able to just run them down. If I need to, I will cut a small slither of the lower side off here, but that then will all be wrapped and in. It would be nice to lay on it and see where it is. This is why I need the pods. Feet are touching. Head's bent up. It won't be very comfy, but the 150mm, 200mm I get from the pods, what will it be? 150mm it'll be, so that will allow me to not, I still won't be able to full stretch. Sorry about the road noise today, I've not got the mic on either, but I won't be able to full stretch, I don't think, but I'll be able to sleep comfy because I sleep on my side and just tuck my legs in a bit, so, and I sleep facing out this way, so I'll be fine. I did ask Shell to come and get on with me, but she's not coming. She says she's busy cooking tea. Come on! Shell!
I've got pizzas in the oven cooking.
Come and get into bed with me.
No.
This is why I need the pods, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. I don't think you'd get a good night's sleep. Cricked up,
wouldn't I?
Yeah. And considering you sleep like that, like you're in a coffin.
Well, I turn on my side normally to sleep, don't I? But I do
quite
sleep.
often you sleep on your back.
Do I?
Yeah.
Well, you know better than me, I'm asleep. But yeah, it's not going to be bad. We'll still have, obviously there's 100mm to go on top of here, and we'll probably just have to get foam that we can fit into the space. The bed's still got to come out to where this black mark is, that'll be the edge there, and then obviously you'll have a bit of room where the edge is at the back as well.
That's good.
We'll have to get you a...
Have we showed them the fridge in the van?
Oh, no.
There we go. He doesn't mess around, this boy, do you?
Saturday, no school today, so what you gonna do? See if it fits, eh?
Where's this for?
The first board. On the wall.
On the wall?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah, and then slides in, slides up, bends in. Far away, that is it.
No. You're laughing at.
So I've just cut this piece, and this is just going to bend and follow the contour of the wall. The shower is going to start about here, so that will run up there. Around this bit, it's going to get some carpet on to trim it off and tidy it up. So that'll just blend into this line here. We'll just sand these lines back, and then this will get a coat of paint down the side of the shower, and the step will go in down under there as well, down to the lower portion of the floor. But we need some stick-on foam insulation, really. I don't know whether that just needs a little bit more, or if it's getting in right. I won't know until I start screwing it up, really. But we're going to need a ceiling at the back anyway. But it's looking good. I still don't know whether to put a batten across the bottom. Just a thin piece to give me a straight all the way along, because the top's okay, really. It runs into this bar here all the way. So I've got somewhere to fix to, but the bottom's a bit flappy because we've raised it up. So I think I'm going to have to cut a strand.
I think so too.
One,
yeah.
Just to make, I might just get a piece of batten, I don't know. But you can see how that is going to form to the curvature of the van now. And then this will come down, and that will come out from there. Temporary fix for now. Don't fall over the Neville.
Mummy.
And the window's marked out there for the window to sit there and sit over the wheel arch. Right, so that fits there pretty good. The window, the cutout for the window, I don't think I'm going to do that yet, because I'm just going to figure out what I'm going to do best. I might just make a template, drop the router in, and then cut it around that way, and that'll give me perfectly clean edge then. So I'll leave that for now. I'm just going to fix this in, because then I can move down one. So that one's in. This one's in. The bed height is confirmed for our bed. And we'll still leave plenty of room in the garage. And I think that's about it for today. It's getting on. The kitchen will be running, shower will be running. I'll have to leave a recess out the back to get to the battery for the wires for the inverter charger. But it's starting to come along really nicely. You saying bye?
Bye.
Have you had a haircut?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at your hair. It's really smart. Do you like it?
Yeah.
Who cut it?
You.
I did, didn't I? Say bye then.
Bye.
Are you locking him up?
Yes.
Go on then. One lock. I think it was, but go on. Right, I'm watching the lights. There we go. You did 2 flashes. You did 3 flashes.
I'm 4.
4 flashes.